Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Jacobs. I'm a doctor of physical therapy and I'm the inventor of advanced soft tissue release ASTR specialty. I'm also a cancer survivor and I used to suffer from chronic migraines, headaches, pain and fatigue before I invented ASTR specialty. Tell me what's going on with your fingers.
So, I just had this locking trigger finger for the last 6 months, and it's to where you have to pull it open manually now, and there's no grip left. When you go to grab something, it's just like...
It's just stuck here. You see that? So it's stuck, he's not able to... So you have to and this one too. Oh, but that's open, you see?
It's not as bad, but it's still
not
pops.
As bad. It pops, but here, are you trying to open it by yourself? He's trying, and you can relax your hand. Let's bring it this way. Can you see that? Try to open this one. It's just stuck. You see the shakiness of his hand? Okay, let's do the same thing here. Close.
With this one?
Okay, try to open it. Here you go. He's able to open it here, but it's very slow. But here is just totally stuck. Okay, so you said 6 months this been going on.
Of it that bad, yeah.
And it's like, is that all the time, or it's worse in certain times of the day?
It's pretty much the same all day. I mean, it might be a little bit worse in the morning, but...
So how much pain you feel there at worst from 0 to 10?
Probably at about an 8.
An 8.
Sometimes up to a 9. It can be really painful.
You can see it's stuck all the time. It's not really... So the only way to straighten it is just use the other hand to do that.
Manually, yeah.
Okay.
Gotta pull it out. It feels like it pops something in there too, so it's sort of scares me to pull it out.
Have you had any treatment for this before?
Not yet, no.
Okay. So okay, so let's see, because you were saying like how many fingers total you have, trigger fingers?
This one doesn't do it too bad, but it's the middle finger on these two will pop. Okay. This one's kind of like taking
this
out all the pop. This is the
worst one.
This is the worst by far. The
worst one.
Left ring finger, and then the right middle finger is starting to lock too.
Okay. So we're gonna work. Let's just start with this. Make sure whatever we do is not painful, okay?
Okay.
We're back. We had an issue with the memory card, so we could not get the recording for the treatment. The treatment was like 5-10 minutes when we worked on it. Yeah. So now hopefully this is recording now. If you see it, yes, it's recording. So give me an update like after working on it. Just let's go back, like what was difficult for you to do and what you had to do to unlock your finger.
Well, before, especially in the mornings when I wake up, I tend to sleep on my hand sometimes too, but it would always be locked. Like you'd have to pry the thing open, and then whenever I'd be working out, I'd have to pull my finger off the weights because it'd wrap itself around it,
and it's stuck.
Yeah, it's stuck completely. Now it's hanging up, but it's not sticking nowhere near as bad as it used to.
So before you manually have to do this, and
yeah, it actually locked, and there was a popping going on under the skin and everything too. There's still a pop, but it's not. It doesn't take near the effort to actually get it out, and I don't have to manually pull it anymore. Now it'll go on its own.
So what do you think about ASTR treatment? Like working on it in a few minutes.
I think it's awesome. Very beneficial.
Yeah. All right. Awesome.
Happy with it.
Thank you. So can you feel the difference? And how long this been going on? Like really severe? Like
it's been locking to where I have to manually open it up for about the last 6 months.
For about 6 months.
And now it's
moving.
It's doing its own thing.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah.
These are like my tools in life.
Well, you're left or right-handed?
Left-handed.
Left-handed. So you use that a lot of time.
Yeah, this is my predominant hand. But
yeah, I'm glad you're doing better. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, awesome. Thank you. Feel free to subscribe to my channel to get helpful tips on how to relieve pain. And if you are a healthcare provider and interested to be ASTR certified, you can follow the link below. You will get information on how to register for ASTR online class. There's over 40 studies that support ASTR treatment model, and also there's over 400 studies that utilized by ASTR treatment, and feel free to check over 220 videos that most of them actually real treatment videos. We'll see you soon.